name is Peter and welcome to my channel. Today we will work on this beautiful coaster. It measures 8 centimeters across, and for this project I'll use a crochet hook 1.7 millimeters and crochet thread number 10. This is one of the those quick and easy tutorials, and you can use this coaster. You can make a bunch of them and give them as a gift to your friends and family. Yeah, so hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you're first time here, please subscribe to my channel, and you're more than welcome to comment, like and share this video. So let's start. We will start with a magic ring. That. Now we will chain 1 and we'll work 12 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 11 and 12. Now we can close our ring down and we'll slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made. For round 2 we'll chain 2 and into the same double crochet that we slip stitched in we'll work 2 double crochets. 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 2 double crochets into the next, and we will repeat this around. So in each stitch around we will work 2 double crochets. And the last one, 1 double crochet and 1 more. So in total we have 24 double crochets in this round. Slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made. For the round 3, chain 2, double crochet into the same place, in the same stitch that we slip stitched in, and into the next double crochet we will work 2 double crochets. Double crochet into the next stitch. Into the next 2 double crochets. Double crochet into the next stitch, and we will repeat this pattern around. So we will work 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet and then increase, so 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and repeat this around. We have 2 stitches remaining, so into the next 1 double crochet and into the last stitch 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round. Round number 4 we'll chain 2, double crochet into the same stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, and into the next we'll work a double crochet increase, so 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2. 1 double crochet in next 2 two double crochets of the previous round. So 1 and 2. Into the next double crochet we'll work increase. So 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Again, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and we'll repeat this around. 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So we work a double crochet, 2 double crochets, double crochet, 2 double crochets, and all the way around. 2 double crochets into the last stitch. So at the end of this round 4 we will have 48 double crochets in total in this round. We'll slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made, and we'll work one more round of double crochets. So chain 2, this time we'll chain 3, and it will count as a first double crochet, and we'll double crochet into the next stitch, not the same, into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch. So now we have 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and we'll work a double crochet increase in the next stitch. So 2 double crochets into the same stitch, like that. Into the next 3 we'll work 1 double crochet in each one of them. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll work into the next stitch 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. And we'll repeat this around. So in next 3 stitches we'll work 1 double crochet, and into the 4th we'll work a double crochet increase. 1, 2, 3, and increase into the next. 1 and 2. And again 3 double crochets, then 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 3 double crochets, 2 double crochets into the same stitch, and so on. We have 1, 2, 3 double crochets, so into the last stitch of the previous round we have to work 2 double crochets, and we'll slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, and we are already at the last round of our main color. Now we'll chain 3, and into the same chain that we slip stitched in we'll work 1 more double crochet, so 1 double crochet. Now we'll chain 2, and into the same stitch 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. We created our little shell. Now we will skip 1, 2 stitches. Into the 3rd we'll work a shell. So 1, 2 we skip. Into the next we'll work a shell. That's 2 double crochets into the same stitch, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. Again skip 1, 2, into the 3rd we'll work a shell. And we'll repeat this around. So we'll skip 2 double crochets of the previous round. Into the third we'll work a shell. Shell is 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Again, skip 2 stitches into the third, work a shell, and repeat this pattern around. And we will slip stitch into the third chain of our beginning shell. Chain 1, and we can cut our thread. So we are done with our coaster. If you want, you can leave it that way in the same color, or you can add some contrasting color around. It looks much nicer, I think. So I will use this blue one for this tutorial, and what we need to do is go with your hook between double crochets the previous round here, go through and just pull your thread through that between the double crochets, and now we will go with our hook in between the next 2 double crochets, pull our thread through, and just basically work a slip stitch. Again, into the next, go between double crochets, pull your yarn through or thread, and go through like that. And this is what will work all the way around. So go in, pull the yarn through, and go through the loop. In, through, through. Like that. Basically we will work a slip stitch all the way around. Like that. Between the next two, and we continue this way all the way around. These coasters are really easy to make, and you can make a bunch of them and give them as a gift to or your friends or family. Continue this way all the way around. We have 2 more double crochets to go around, so it's 1 and around our last double crochet. Now we can cut our thread, pull the yarn through, and what we'll do, we'll take our needle, that, and we'll make our invisible stitch. So let me get a little closer. Here is our first stitch. We will go into this both threads, pull our needle through that, and we will go right into the middle of our last stitch and pull our thread to the back side of our work. Basically what we did, we work that it looks the same as our slip stitch. And I know, so, and now I will just make a knot on the back side or two to secure this thread, and we are done. All we need to do now is just hide this tail and or the ends, so these two ends, and we are done with our coaster. What I do next is stretch it a little bit so it will be nice and flat. I spray it with a light starch and iron it on the back side, and we are done. Okay, and here it is, ironed and ready to go. So if you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and yeah, I will be more than happy if you share this video with your friends, and hope you enjoy this. And until the next time, enjoy crocheting and be safe.